and welcome back to my Dollar Tree. It is time for another Dollar Tree haul. I love sharing you guys things that I had that I get from the Dollar Tree, but there's one thing I do want to say, and I am not sure if you guys are interested in a video, but I ended up buying something from the Dollar Tree online and ended up having to get corporate involved. So if you guys want to hear that story, let me know and I'm going to make a separate video. It's a Dollar Tree rant, and I don't know, I feel like I just want to get it off my chest to see if any of you guys had to deal with something so stupid that they did. But let me know in the comments below if you guys want to hear my Dollar Tree rant. It ended up taking like 2 weeks for this thing to resolve. It's ridiculous. So wanted to share with you guys on that. So I went to 2 different Dollar Trees. I have the main one that I usually go to that's kind of whatever, and then there's another one that's near my work that I absolutely love because they actually take time and face, they straighten. That store is awesome and I usually find some really good stuff. But I just found out when I went to a different Dollar Tree, there was a sign that says there's going to be a new location for a Dollar Tree, and I'm like, oh, when's it going to open? And they're like, we don't know. And I'm like, okay. Well, then I commented on Dollar Tree's Facebook page. I'm like, when is this store going to open? Because this is, again, it's not super close, but it's right down the road for me, and I'm super excited because I have never shopped a brand new Dollar Tree before. And they're like, we don't know, we'll let you know. Or they're like, you know, check back again in a couple weeks when we find out the date. And I'm like, man, I just want to go to the Dollar Tree. I just love the Dollar Tree. I'm so obsessed with the Dollar Tree, you guys. Every conversation I have with somebody, it's about the Dollar Tree. But I went past that location. I took Ben to school yesterday, and I went past that location, and there was a sign that says it opens August 10th at 9 a.m. So guess where I'm going? I'm going there after I get done with work. So if you guys want to see a shop with me video, I actually want to do a shop with me video for a brand new store because I never know what, like, you'll never know what they're going to have. A lot of old stores have like some stuff they've had for years. I'm pretty excited to see what they have. So definitely stay tuned for a shop with me of the new Dollar Tree. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got on this haul. Now, one thing I was super excited to find was the Pop Secret popcorn. Now, I love popcorn. I could eat a whole bowl if I wanted to. And these are the 10 packs. Now, this is the movie theater popcorn, and this doesn't expire till September 7th. So I got about a month to eat 10 packages of popcorn. They had the regular butter, but it expired like a couple days before I even found it. And I'm like, I don't know, I always look at dates when I used to work in a grocery store for 3 years when I was in high school, and I always look at dates when I buy stuff because you never know the date. And even though that popcorn still could be good, it's not like I'm going to eat all of it that super fast, but I was super excited to find a full box of popcorn. I went there again today and they actually had a couple more boxes left. So be on the lookout if your store has this, but this was my win. And for $1, I wish I had a coupon on me. I don't even know if there's a coupon out there, but so excited to find that. The next deal I was super excited to find was Honeycomb Cereal, you guys. I've been actually craving honeycomb lately. I'm like, God, I really want some honeycomb cereal. And I never used to like this up until one point, and then I'm like, actually, it's not that bad. It's just like, just a plain crisp thing with like a hint of honey. So I ended up getting them. Now, I went to 2 different stores because the one store I ended up getting 2 bags of it, or 2 boxes of it, and then I'm like, you know what? I think I'm going to get another one because I love getting cereal for $1. Cereal is my favorite thing to eat for breakfast. Like, I love it. I sometimes even eat cereal in the middle of the day, or I have it as a snack. I'm just obsessed with cereal. So I ended up getting 3 boxes of the honeycomb because I could not go wrong. I could not go wrong with 3 boxes. And usually a box lasts me about a week. And these don't expire till January 24th, 2019. So definitely check your guys' stores to see if you guys have the honeycomb. That's the only new cereal that I saw, but I was pretty excited. I always like trying to find name brand cereal. I mean, they do have like some of the smaller stuff, but I want the bigger stuff is what I really want. So, sorry, my stuff just went flying. So as you guys know, my son's birthday is in pretty much exactly a month as I'm filming this, and I am excited to start getting his birthday party already. As you guys know, I've mentioned this before, we are doing an Easter egg hunt for his birthday. And I might even do a video, you guys, showing his little friends and him looking for cards, or Easter eggs, but I have everybody getting baskets and stuff. But I thought, why not get balloons for his party? I mean, just to blow them up and have them whatever. They're not like exactly what they show on the picture, but I don't care. They're for $1, and there is 12 of them in here for $1. You can't go wrong with that. So I'm super excited to have emoji balloons for his party, and then all of his friends can get a balloon. So pretty excited to share with you guys on that. Now, this is what I found today. I was so excited to find these Rubbermaid containers. Now, as you guys know, I found these ones last week, but these ones are a little bit different. These are, again, the Rubbermaid brand, and I just saw these kind of just sitting to the side because they don't have any more of those anymore, so I had to get these. But I thought these are super cute to have for just storage and stuff that I want to, husband and I are purging right now. We are going through our basement. Like, you guys have no idea. Our basement used to, that's where I film all my videos. Like, I'm in the middle of my basement, but our basement used to be crazy. My stockpile is just crazy. I mean, we have boxes everywhere, but we're starting to get rid of stuff, and I mean, we can see the floor, everything's fine, and I thought, you know what, I want to organize stuff, so I thought these totes are perfect because they're clear and you can see through it, and it's the Rubbermaid brand. I mean, that's one thing I absolutely love. Like, you can get other brands at Walmart or Target, but not the Rubbermaid brands for $1. So I ended up getting 4 of them because so definitely wanted to share with you guys on the Rubbermaid totes. I'm super loving this. I'm hoping they get more. And as you guys can see right here, I have a cap for Lay's stacks. My son took it out of the bag when we bought it, and he started helping himself to it, so he is eating some chips right now. But I hate to say this, but I'd rather have him eat chips sometimes than candy. I'm really cutting back on him eating candy and sweets and everything. But I'm like, okay, if you're going to have some chips, that's fine, as long as you don't, eat a lot. And he usually doesn't, so wanted to share with you guys, the Lay's chips. As you guys can imagine, it's right here. Yeah. I was pretty excited to find some books. I saw Nicole Burgess. I didn't watch her video. I just saw the thumbnail. But she ended up having some books, and I'm like, oh, I'm on a hunt to find those books, and my son took one out. I got the M&M book. It's upstairs somewhere, but it looks exactly like this, but it's M&M recipes. And I also got this crock pot book. I am so ready, you guys, to make slow cooker meals. I started making one the other day, but I actually want to start making more and showing you guys videos for it. But right now, I'm just going to start filming them. Ooh, dumplings. Oh, that looks so good. But I'm so ready to show you guys, meals. And I thought, great time to start getting ready is to start filming stuff, and then I'll start posting them when the winter comes. But I ended up getting the Campbell's soup 1-dish recipe. I thought, I like soup. I'm just all into soup. So there's some like good recipes in here that I saw. Quick chicken a la king. That looks pretty decent. I'd eat that. Classic tuna noodle casserole. I've always wanted to make a noodle casserole with tuna. Risotto. Simple creamy chicken risotto. Oh my goodness, you guys. 25-minute chicken noodles. 2-step inside out chicken pot pie. Like, oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited to make this stuff. And it looks like it's super easy to make. Super easy. 15 minutes. That's awesome. So I got that. You guys, I want to start cooking more. I really do. And I've mentioned this before. I eat out a lot. I eat out a lot. I sometimes just don't even eat. I sometimes just forget, and I snack on crap a lot. And I don't really want, I need to lose weight, but I'm not really going on a diet. I don't really care. Right now, I just want, to live my life, and I'm not like super overweight. Yeah, I have a belly, a gut, but I don't care. I don't care. An average person does, so I don't care. But I really want to start making healthier foods that have more fruits and vegetables in, because I'm a super picky eater, and if stuff's mixed in, I will be okay eating that. So I'm excited to share with you guys, and I will definitely be making videos of me making meals. I might even turn that into like what's cooking Saturday, so you guys might have to stay tuned for that. I'm going to start making a bunch of meals so I can film or post it, and then you guys, you know, you can watch it. Yeah. But the next book I got is the Velveeta Crowd Pleasing Recipes. Now, I actually make a dip with Velveeta. And I've made a video for it if you guys want to check my recipe videos. But yeah, the queso dip, but then I add hamburger to this. And it's so good. This is my top meal that I make every time I have a party. But they got cheesy pizza dip, hot broccoli dip, oh, chipotle dip, chili dip. Enough with the dips. Macaroni and cheese. Oh yeah. Macaroni and cheese, enchilada, Velveeta tuna noodle casserole. That looks good. Italian. Oh, okay. Shut into the book now, so I was super excited to share with you guys on that. I ended up getting this Spongebob coloring book. My son is really into Spongebob lately. Fine with me. I don't care. I'm a person who lets him watch a variety of stuff. And the reason is because I was that child when I was a kid who had to watch Beetlejuice. I think I was 3 or 4 years old. Yeah, 1986 or whatever. I watched Beetlejuice so many times that the VHS ended up going bad. My mom had to re-get a new one because I just loved Beetlejuice, and she's just like, I'm so sick and tired of Beetlejuice. But Ben, you know, likes to rotate stuff, and that's what I love. So that's why I don't care, because, you know, one week he's into SpongeBob, and next week he's into something different. As you guys know, he's having, again, the emoji-themed birthday party. I found this little gift bag with all the emojis and stuff on it, so I thought that'd be a great thing to put his little presents in. So I got him that because it's super cute. I got this last bag to share with you guys. And I'm going to a different Dollar Tree tomorrow. We're going to one, yeah, we're going to a couple different for you. So, as you guys know, as I was mentioning, we are, like, purging and getting rid of stuff. So, I have all my wreaths around the basement. I have them all over the place. I actually want to start putting them in bags, and I want to hang them up in our garage and just hang them up all the wall or along the ceiling. So, when that season comes, I can just take it right out of the bag, and there you go. So, I thought, these are like the tall... These are probably like the big garbage bags, but I don't care. I can always just tie them and make them smaller. So, had to get some garbage bags to wrap that up. I'm really going to start pushing making wreaths, you guys. Not just making DIY videos, but just making wreaths. There's a bunch of wreaths that I want to make and see if I can make some extra money for the holidays. So, I'm going to make a bunch of them and then start posting them and just see if I can have some extra money. It's nice to pay, you know, cash for all my Christmas gifts instead of charging it and racking up a bill. And I will be making how I get almost a free Christmas with all the apps and stuff that I use. So you guys will definitely want to stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to either film that this weekend or I'm going to film it next week, Wednesday, when my son is at school. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But I ended up getting more of the chenille stems, or what I call pipe cleaners. There's 45 in here. I will definitely be using these. These are kind of Christmas colors, which is fine. But I know the Halloween stuff's coming out, so I really want to start pushing, you know, Halloween, fall, and winter wreaths. So I'm on a mission to do that. Now, right now, Ben is into Shopkins. Now, I don't care if he wants to play with girly toys. I don't care. He likes little things. He's like obsessed with toys that are like this small and that he can hold in his hands. He's always holding stuff in his hands, like the Thomas Minis, the little Minion figurines. Like, he just likes holding stuff in his hands. Well, right now he's into Shopkins, and it's fine. I don't care. You know, it's nice to have him have a variety of toys. The only thing I don't want, there's certain things I don't want him into, and Shopkins, I don't care. But they had these washable markers. I don't think they're scented at all, but there's two different kinds. There's like the pastel colors with like the girly, you know, the pink, the yellow, and the purple, and then they had red, orange, and green. And I thought these are super cute. And they're washable, and he hasn't really played with markers. He has, but I do like it that they're washable, because the other day he was like drawing on his face with a marker, so I thought these would be great. And he said he wanted them for his birthday, so I'm going to give those to him for his birthday. I finally found the canvases. Now, I found this at a location where my mom lives, but I was so excited to finally find canvases where I lived. So these are just those regular stretched canvases. I got 2 of them. I thought Ben could do a little painting and maybe, you know, do something for Christmas for the grandparents. So I thought this would be a great project for him to work on for the holidays. I finally found these, what are these called? Squeezies. We got the orange and then we got the lemon. I know they've had these in the past, and every time I try to get one, they're always sold out. So I was super excited to get it. This has like a hole in it. But Ben ripped the tags off, but I was super excited because I really like playing with these. They help me out like stress-wise. Just, you know, I used to have, not arthritis, but I had carpal tunnel really badly after I had Ben up until he was about 2 years old. I had it really badly. So these really help with my hands. Plus I'm always typing, you know, responding to you guys and doing my editing. So my hands are always hurting. So these help awesome. Now, I thought I wanted to give this a try. I got the Moisture Eliminator. And I wanted to give this a try because there's a lot of moisture in our basement. Husband says he has one of these, but I wanted to give this a try. I've seen a lot of people say these work great. And for $1, I'm going to give it a try. I'm actually going to open this right now, but I don't have any scissors. Yeah, I do. I'm going to open this right now and see how much moisture it does take. It does say... remove the aluminum seal, do not make blah 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 blah, open it later, but I just wanted to share with you guys this, and I'll let you guys know how well this does in the basement. I found this little notebook, and the notebook actually like goes to the side. It's not like a flap one, it just like rotates to the side. But they had flamingo, and then they had cactus, I think, and then this was no problem llama. So I thought that would be super cute if I wanted like a little notebook to just write some stuff down. So I ended up getting that. And then I was super excited to find this glitter. Now they had it in all 5 colors, but I thought I'm just going to get the purple and the green. But it's just a regular glitter glue. Ice mint green and ice purple. Never seen these before, but I thought, you know what, if I had a project to do with Ben, I thought these would be super cute to do, so I wanted to get with that. So yes, oh, I got one more item. And then I found the Crusties Buttermilk Pancakes. I've never seen these before, and I'm really into making pancakes lately. I'm just craving pancakes, and Ben loves them too. So I thought, why not get some mix that I can get? And I thought for $1, you can't go wrong with these. I think Target sells these for $2. So I thought I was super excited, and it doesn't expire till December 5th, 2019. So I got a year and a half to use this up. So yeah, so that was my haul. I just wanted to share with you guys everything I got. I'm pretty excited with a lot of the stuff that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Please give this video a thumbs up. Sorry for the long video. I like to share with you guys as much as I can. Just talk. But I just want to say thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all next week for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.